I got my inlet manifold back yesterday from being repaired after the crack. Random dog. So what we did, we put this plate in here, and triangulating it here should give some strength to this area. We also clearly welded it all through here, and then we did the same on the other side as well. Give it a bit of strength. Once again, a nice triangulation there. But we also found that there were some cracks here too. All right, there was a hairline crack through the weld there, which we had to repair, and there was another crack down here as well, which was going to open up over time, considering that we've strengthened all this area here. So really what it comes down to is this material on the top of the plenum was not thick enough. We did measure it. We weren't exactly sure. We couldn't get a really good measurement, but it's like between 2.5 and 3 mil thick. Really needs to be 4 or 5 mil to stop it from bowing out and causing those stress cracks. So if anyone's thinking of making one of these, don't make it with thin material. Make sure you use nice thick material, and then you won't have any problems. Okay, that's it. It was just a quick update today. See you later.